Throughout her career, she has continued to enhance her skills and knowledge through various training programs. Currently, she is the Municipal Fire Marshal of Don Carlos Fire Station. Please join me in welcoming Fire Senior Inspector Alana Claire D. Gaani. Ma'am, a round of applause, please.
To our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Almaji Abakahima, morning ma'am. To our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Alan Asok Kabot, sir. To our Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Fire Senior Superintendent Romel Viniferdi, sir. To our Regional Chief of Staff, Fire Senior Superintendent Richie Pablo, sir. To the rest of the command group present today, commissioned and non-commissioned officers, non-uniformed personnel, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today, I want to talk about something we all need at some point in our lives, a second chance. I believe that the previous topic by the previous speaker was about the Marie Straka thing, and I think this is a timely, somehow related topic also. So, this is a very timely and trendy topic because people nowadays are easily condemned, especially in this social media era, where people get a glimpse of your personal life, saying that it is their right to express. However, as far as I can remember, your right ends when the rights of others begin, which basically means that your rights are protected up to the point where you infringe on someone else's right. Life is a journey filled with triumphs, but also mistakes and setbacks. None of us is perfect. We've all made decisions we wish we could take back or face challenges we weren't prepared for. And in those moments, it's easy to feel like all is lost. But that's where the beauty of a second chance comes in. A second chance is not just an opportunity to correct a mistake. It's a gift to grow, to reflect, and to try again, better and wiser than before. It reminds us that failure is not final and that our past does not define our future. History is filled with stories of people who seized their second chances. Take Thomas Edison, for example, who famously failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His persistence, his willingness to keep trying changed the world. On a more personal level, second chances allow us to heal and rebuild relationships. We discover dreams we once abandoned and prove to ourselves that we are capable of change. It takes courage to give or receive a second chance, but the rewards can be life-changing. However, second chances also come with responsibility. They challenge us to take accountability for our actions, to learn from our mistakes, and to commit to doing better. They aren't handed out freely. They are earned through effort, humility, and determination. So, whether you're seeking a second chance or considering offering to someone else, remember this. We are all works in progress. Each day is an opportunity to grow, and second chance is a reminder that hope is never lost. And during this holiday season, when you look back on the things that you have done, please, just please, don't be too hard on yourself. Give yourself another chance for the following year to be better and to get better. So that will be all. May we all have a productive week ahead. Once again, good morning, and thank you for having me as your speaker for today's ceremony. Advance Merry Christmas, and may we all receive the SRI and PEI that we also deserve. So thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Claire, for your words of wisdom. Medalya ng papuri is hereby conferred to Fire Senior Inspector Alana Kerdi Gani for her insightful contribution and commendable performance as the truth, information, and educational speaker during the traditional Monday flag raising ceremony held on December 16, 2024 at the BFP Regional Office Net. Such display of dedication and commitment serve to inspire and motivate others, contributing to successful achievement of the BFP's mandate and programs, thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given the 16th day of December 2024 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10 Lumabela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Almagran Abakahay, MNPA, MPSA, Fire Chief Superintendent, DSC, BFP, Regional Director. A round of applause, please. May we once again call our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Almagran Abakahima for her message.
Troop Commander, please kneel down to take a stand. Good morning, everybody. Pinapatutas kayo na kung kayo akala nyo mataas ang aming sasabihin, mahaba. Actually, wala akong sasabihin dahil ang aking prepared speech na ibibigay ko sana sa inyo, sinabi na ni Kaani lahat. Lahat yun, pareho kami ng flight racing ngayong umaga na ito. So, I thank our resource speaker for this morning for that beautiful message given to you. It is very fitting at parang pinaparinig niya sa akin yung second chance. No? So, dadagdagan ko lang ng konti. Parang ang maidagdag ko na lang dito is it's time for moving on. No? Move on ba? Pag tayo in a broken heart, wala tayong talagang ibang alternative kundi to move on. Now, in moving on, there are two choices. Either you'll be negative or positive. Kapag nabigo tayo sa pag-ibig, sabihin natin, di naging kumuusap. So, that is a very negative perspective. No? Kasi that is limiting. So, dapat, pag tayo nabigo, sabihin natin, I will love again. No? I will love again. So, you are very positive on your perspective in the future. So, wala talaga akong prepared speech ngayon. Sa totoo lang, lahat na sabi na ni Gani except to ask you, how are you? I hope you're okay while I'm gone, and I learned a lot of things when I'm away at the National Headquarters. When the change of administration took place, I witnessed the event in the National Headquarters. At ang nalalaman ko lang doon na good news is that meron tayo na yun, is SRI. Yun lang naman ang ating nalalaman as to promotion. Next year na siguro, dahil December na, as to transfer. Of course, clip ngayon ang power ng ating officer in charge. As long as hindi maka-appoint ang ating president ng new director, so wala tayong transfer, wala tayong reassignment. So stay put. Everybody is advised to sit back and relax and let's just celebrate the Yuletide season and watch together the coming of the new year. No, so with that, I hope you are okay with a lot of activities coming in the closing of the year. May mga seminars tayo, may mga pa-trainings. May prepare pa kayo na party? I think we have prohibition in having a party, no? Kasi sa NHQ, hindi kami ng-party, but gayahin natin ang ginawa ng NHQ because we are prohibited. Anyway, ang sabi naman ng advice is, ang prohibited lang yung luxurious, yung indecent parties, no? Pero siguro, pag-usapan natin mga, can we have, nandito ba lahat ang mga staff? Maybe we can have a meeting at 10 a.m. just to update pa kung ano yung mga status ng ano natin. Pagdating siguro ni Mark, no, I will leave you up to alas 10 ng umaga. Mag-update meeting lang tayo kung anong hahabulin natin. So yung activities natin on the 20th, yung anniversary natin, so bahala na si Arda dyan, very able naman si Arda to handle activities at saka bro, yung graduation din sa 20, so ito ang inanong ko doon kay Pops na, kasi mo assess si Pops sa program. So, ganun na lang na ma-invest natin lahat. Siguro every now and then, hindi tayo masyado magkikita dahil December, maraming engagement sa labas. Basta, ang requirement ko lang sa admin is magkaroon na tayo ng skeletal course. Merong mag-break ng Christmas at merong mag-break ng January para kahit hindi na tayo masyado magkikita hanggang at the end of this year at saka sa 3 Kings, may tao pa rin ito, may duty tayo. Okay? So, that's all. I think yun lang ang naiiwang sasabihin ko sa mga sinabi ni Kaadi kasi nakuha na niya lahat yung aking sasabihin at napaiksi ang aking speech. Once again, thank you and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Sana masaya tayo lahat.
Thank you, ma'am, for your message and information. And now let us sing with honor and pride the BFP hymn. That concludes our romantic flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, Fire Officer 2, Herbal Namin. Thank you, and as always,